Hi guys, in this video I am taking you guys to the next level. I have been showing you how to build professional website with WordPress and Elementor, and we are going to keep doing that. But in this video I want to introduce you to n8n. n8n is an automation platform, and that is what I use to build this setup right now. This is just a basic agent setup, and what this agent can do is very powerful. Assuming that you build a website for a customer, an e-commerce website for a customer, and configure it with a chatbot, and that chatbot is being connected to this agent. So whenever a customer go to that website and that customer talk to the agent, to the chatbot can guide the customer to place an order while even the owner of the website is sleeping. So this is very powerful. That is why I want to show you guys how to build such agent like this, and not only this basic agent, a lot. So this is going to be our first lesson on automation. So I'm going to take you through step by step and how to build it. But before, we are going to look into the interface of n8n. So if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, as I will be posting more helping video like this. Before I leave this page to the n8n main page, I want to show you something here. So how this setup works. So when the message is being triggered, the agent detects it here, then send it to the brain here. So when the brain know what to write, then the brain reply to the message and send it to the Gmail. Then the Gmail send our message to the person that we want it to send. So this is the purpose of this setup. So let's go to the n8n home page and create an account there right now. So this is the main page of the n8n. So let's go to prices. Let me show you something. It is not free, so you have to purchase it, and I am not affiliated yet. So the reason why they are charging this, they are going to host. n8n is an open source, so you can install it locally. I will be making another video and show you guys how to install n8n locally, so on your PC, so you don't have to pay for this. So if you are practicing it, so you can have it locally on your system and use it for practice. So from here, but if you want to host it and make it live, so you can purchase their plan or you can self-host it. Okay, when you self-host it too, it is cheap, so I have to make another video for that. But for this lesson, let's create a try version and use it to create this setup right now. So we are going to click on try here. So let's click on try here. Then we are going to fill this. I will enter all details. Okay. So after everything, you receive this verification code. Then you click on this link and verify it. So I'm going to pause my video and verify it and come back after doing that. Okay, so you see this interface. So from here, you are inside your n8n right now. So from here, we can create our workflow, but let's go have a tour through the n8n interface. So we can create our workflow from scratch from here. We can also come here. You can see that there are some options here. At the top here, you can click on it, and this panel is going to open. You will see workflow, credential, and project. So our workflow, when you click on workflow, it gives you another option here, personal, and you can also come to the home overview. So when you click on the home overview, you can see all the options here again, like workflow, credential, execution. So our workflow we are going to create is going to show here. So we are going to see any workflow that we create and work inside. It's going to show here, and our credential that we are going to use to connect our app. So when we create our credential, so we are going to have our credential here, so we can add credential. Over here too, you can click here to create your workflow, and when you click inside too, you can create your credential as well. So that is all for n8n. So we have to create our workflow right now. So to create our workflow, you can click here and create workflow, and now our workflow is being created, and this space is called our template. So here, let's name this workflow as automation, like this. And you can see there are some little option on the interface here. on here you can see there's three dots here. When you click on that three dot, you can see here duplicate, download, change ownership, rename. You can also import a JSON file inside this n8n and start editing it. So after you build your automation and you want to download it, you can also download it from here. So when any node that you add on this workflow, you are going to save it here, and here you can make it active. So when you want to share, after finish building it and you want to share, you just have to make it active, then you can share the link. And so right now while we are working on this, sometime you make it active. So that's all for here. And here you can see we are logging in editor here. So the editor mode that we are seeing right now, we are seeing here. So this is the execution mode as well. So all our history, everything is going to show here. So not to waste time, let's go to how to add our node here. But before, you can see below here too, you can see there's some option here. This is just the zoom, okay, the zoom, and for us to center it where maybe our node is not well aligned. When you click on this one, the tidy up is going to tidy everything up and bring it and center it the way it should be, right? So not to waste time, let's get started. Let's try to add some node as well. So to add a node, you have to click on this. So when you click on it, the first node is going to be our trigger, and the trigger can be manual trigger and it can be on a shadow trigger. So on the shadow trigger too, it has its functionality, how it works. So we are going to check all of that in other video when we are building more automation. So any node that I will use, I will try to explain it to you. So here we need on chart trigger. So this is the one that we need on chart trigger. So we are going to select this node here. So I can move my node around here and place it here, and I can click on the zoom to reduce it a little bit like this. So here we can see our node here. So this is our chart node here, and you can see it has brought this chart here. So when we open this chart and we can ask it hello, it's not going to respond, and you can see everything is working right now, but it's not going to respond to us because it is not being connected to an agent and it can respond, right? So let's add an agent to it so that this chart can trigger that agent. So let's go back. So our first node is always going to be our trigger node. So when you click on it, we can rename this one, okay, here, and let me remove the E and make it chat message receive, right? So it should be like this. So let's go back here. So let's add an agent. I can close this. Let's clear everything and close this here, and let's add our agent to it by clicking with another node, and that node is going to be AI. So let's click on AI, and here it will take us here to AI agent. Let's click on this agent and click back here, and this is the agent. So let's place it here and connect this node to it like this. Okay, so our chat node is connected to our agent node. So what we want to do, okay, we want to give it a command. So when we give it a command inside the chat, then it can trigger the agent. Then the agent also will think about it. Okay, so how can the agent think about it? So here you can see chat model. So we have to add an LLM, and an LLM represents, it's just a chip, okay, is the brain of the agent. So let's add an LLM, and it can be any LLM model. It can be DeepSeek, it can be Croc, you can add anyone, but the one that we are going to use is OpenAI. I use OpenAI, so I'm going to select it and click on OpenAI, and here I can add my credential. So I need to add credential before it will be connected. So to get your credential, you have to create an OpenAI API. So I'm going to copy my API and post it here. So let's pause this video. So I've copied my API. So I'm going to click on create credential, and here on API, I'm going to paste my API here like this. So after that, I'll go to save. And as you can see here, credential successfully created. So I'll close this one and go back. Then I'll go back, I'll come back here. Then I'll open the chat again and let's add, because right now we have added a brain to this. Okay, so we can also click on this node and rename it, give it LLM. Okay, large language model. It's a large language model. So let's name it. So let's go back. Okay, like this is okay. So from here I can drag it here. So I brought back this chart. Let's bring back this chart and let write here my name. Yes, and it has responded to me. Hello, Mr. Green. How can I assist you? What is my name? Okay, I don't have access to about the stuff, and also it need to have a memory to remember. So because it doesn't have a memory, that's why it didn't recognize my name, because I told him my name but it didn't recognize my name. So let's give it a memory. So click on this memory, click it, and let's select a memory. And here n8n has given us a simple memory, and that is the simple. We are going to select the simple memory. But later in the channel, in other videos, I'm going to show you how to add those MongoDB database and other database too. So let's unzoom it, bring it. So let's select and let's select simple. So let this select our simple memory here and go back like this. Okay, so from here I'll come back to the chart. Let's clear this chart and let me start the same sentence. Right. Okay, the same thing, and let me ask again. My name is Mr. Green. What is my name? And you see this time, yeah, it has responded. Your name is Mr. Green. How can I assist you? You see, it was able, so you can see it here. So the agent was able to check inside his memory and see if we have a past conversation. And yes, we had a past conversation and saw that my name was Mr. Green, and that was the response that was given to me. So from here, you see the agent also need an action, and we need an action, and the action is going to be our app that we are going to connect. So we are going to give it an app. We are going to give it Gmail, and we are going to select Gmail, and also we are going to it's going to be message. We are going to leave it the way it is and go back like this and bring it here. So from here, what I want this agent to do is I want it to always send a message to add as my secretary. So from here, what we are going to do right now is, let me clear this thing and let me clear this one. So here I'm not going to, from here I'll have to connect my credential. So let's select our credential. So let's go to credential. Let's select Gmail here. So select all. Okay, then go to continue, and you are going to be connected successfully. Okay, so from here it will close. So let's close. Our credential is connected. So what we are going to do is let the agent do its work on its own. Okay, so we are going to take on everything, and here option I will go to add append n8n attribute. I will select and make this one off, and also that's all for here. So let's like this, and right now I am going to order the chat to do this task for me. So I'm going to ask it, okay, send. Then I will enter my email address, the email address I want the message to be sent to. Like this. Okay, then I will send. So as you can see, birthday wish has been sent to Mr. Green, blah blah blah. Is there anything else you would like me to do? Oh, okay, so let's go. I can see there's a check here, so let me click here and see what is wrong. Send node label. So let's go to our mail. Our message couldn't go, but you can see it here. So let's go and check it back. So let's go. I think is the email. The email is wrong. So let's write the email again. Let's copy the message again. Let's copy the message from here. Then we edit the email. So let's edit the email. Let's remove this chain like this and send it again. So you can see the agent is being triggered. So let's go back and check our mail, and you can see this is the new message. Happy birthday, wishing you. This is the subject. Good. As you can see, it has sent a message to the email address we gave it to him and wishing the person a happy birthday. So this is how you can automate your daily life. You don't want to send messages by yourself, so you can make this agent do everything for you, and it will automate everything for you. So if you are new to this channel and you still haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, as I will be putting more helping video. So this is the end of this video. So this is how you can tell this agent to perform a task for you, and that task will be automated. So I'll be making more video about n8n. Thank you.